Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do an unboxing and a review on some products that were sent to me from Raw Cosmetics. It is black owned and everything is made by hand. It's handmade products for self-care. So I'm just going to jump right into this unboxing, and after all of that I'm going to use the products tonight and come back and let you all know how I like them.
I've been waiting and anticipating until you even know what I really wanna do to you. Contemplating and relating, bodies associated. Ooh, falling and falling to you, falling and falling to you.
Okay, all these things I'm gonna talk about from Raw Cosmetics come in the self-care kit. I'm gonna post the information down in the description box so you can purchase your own self-care kit, or either if you want to purchase the products separately. So I'm just gonna dive right into it. I've pre-opened some of it, but I haven't smelled it or anything like that, so you'll get my first reaction. The first thing that I have is this lavender rose oil, and it says to keep it refrigerated. I'm gonna use some like right here. Let's see. Ooh, it's a very light smell. Okay, it's very light. I'm gonna give it a good shake. Very, ooh, my skin feels amazing. Yes, y'all, my skin feels so soft. So I'm definitely gonna use that on my skin. Next thing I have is this Goddess Herbal Bath. You can see right there. I'm not sure what all is in here, but I'm definitely gonna use it tonight, possibly. Oh, I love the smell. It smells really, really good. This is what it looks like. I can't wait to use this because I've been wanting to do a goddess bath for a while now, and I just never gotten around to doing it. So now I'm gonna finally do it. I'm gonna have to look it up and see what all was put in here because it smells lovely. Next thing I have is this whipped shea butter. I use shea butter at night after my shower, but I never used a whipped shea butter. So this is good. I've been wanting to get some for a while, so glad I finally got some. Ooh, I love the consistency of it. It has coconut oil and vitamin E oil, so I just know it's gonna be amazing on my skin. I'm probably just gonna start using this on my face at night and try it out and see how that goes, but I'm definitely gonna use it on my body. The last thing I have is a scrub. Is a coconut sugar and turmeric scrub. I like the smell. It smells very sweet. I can't wait to use this tonight because I love me a good body scrub. Okay, so that is everything that I have. I thought I had one more thing, but I don't think I do. Maybe I'm tweaking. But anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tap that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. But I'm not done. I'm gonna come back later on tonight and do a review on all these things because today is self-care Sunday. So even though you're gonna be seeing this on a Monday, Merry Mondays, but like I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna try all this stuff tonight and I'm come back and do a full review and let you know how I like each and every product. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I hope you purchase some of this stuff in the future. Y'all, so I'm finally back to give you the full review on the different products that I tried that came in my self-care kit from Raw Cosmetics. I knew it was something that I was missing in my box earlier in the video, but I couldn't figure out what it was because I forgot I had already took it out. It was the black soap. Here it is. It came in the self-care kit, of course, and most people use black soap on their face, but I usually don't. What I'm going to use this for, I'm going to use this as a shampoo bar for my hair, and I'm going to do a video on that as well because black soap works so good in my hair. Just never did it like with the bar. I only had like black soap shampoo, so I'm just still going to use this as a cleanser to clean my hair when I do another wash day, so stay tuned for that. Definitely going to show you how that goes. Okay, so the first product I am going to talk about is the Goddess Bath. It was amazing. I'm probably going to attach some photos or put up a photo, whatever, of the Goddess Bath, but when I actually used it. But here it is. I used most of it. I got a little bit left. I tried to save my flowers, my dry flowers, so I put some of them back in here, but I got a little bit of salt and everything else left. This was amazing, very relaxing. And this is the self-love Goddess herbal bath that she has, and she has many more on her site. I'm going to make sure I post the site down below so you can get you some. But the Goddess Bath was amazing. I'm definitely going to purchase some more of that so I can add a Goddess Bath into my self-care routine. Yes, y'all. Okay, so the next thing I have is this turmeric scrub. It has turmeric, coconut sugar, and I forgot what else, but y'all, it smells so sweet. Anyways, this scrub was amazing. I loved it because when I used this scrub, y'all, my skin was so soft. It was really soft. Like Tree Hut, I'm throwing that away and I'm sticking to this because this has my skin so soft and it's not harsh on my skin at all. Like some scrubs are salt based, and sometimes the salt is very coarse and it'll kind of hurt your skin a little bit, but this was the perfect scrub that I've been looking for, something that's not too harsh and leaves my skin very moisturized. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing this again. This is the lavender rose oil. You have to keep it refrigerated. It is really nice. I did enjoy it. I used a little bit of it after I got done with my bath or whatever, well, my shower, because well, it would be my bath because I did it when I did the Goddess Bath. But anywho, use this oil on my skin. It's very nice oil, very light, friendly. Didn't use it on my face, but I did use it on my body. I liked it. It was nice to use this after I used the scrub, even if when the scrub did have my skin, you know, moisturized. One of my most favorite things in this whole self-care kit had to be the whipped shea butter. It has coconut oil and vitamin E oil in it. I've been using it on my body, but mostly my face. Y'all, and it's been working so good. Like, I just have a natural glow. Like, even without the light, I still have a natural glow. So I'm probably gonna try to, let me see how it looks if I cut off my light. See, even without my light, I still have a nice natural glow. Let me cut it back on. There you go. But even though without my light, I still had a nice glow. So y'all, this shea butter, and this is the whipped kind. See, I've been using shea butter on my skin for maybe a month or two now. I usually try to use it before bed, but anyways, I'm using it. It's been working great, but this works even better because it's the whipped kind, and it has a different consistency than the other shea butter. So I'm definitely gonna pick this up again because y'all, it has been doing my skin so well. And what else I liked about it? I just like the consistency of it and how it made my skin feel. Yeah. So go get you some. You want some glowing skin? And it works good on my body too, but on my face, y'all, yes, honey, yes. Hey, y'all, so that is it. Those are all the products that came in my self-care kit that was sent to me by Ross Cosmetics. I am definitely hooked, especially on that scrub and the shea butter. The Goddess Bath, I loved it too. I just felt rejuvenated. I felt amazing, so full of self-love and goddess energy. It was amazing. So go get you some. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. put the work in. Told baby girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. Am I down about him every man? I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gems y'all need. I've been working on this.